Hi everyone, warm welcome to all. We have a very special Sagittarius full moon of 13 days on June 22nd at 7 degrees in Mula Nakshatra, Ketu's Nakshatra. And Ketu is closely connected with our past life, represents complete void, nothingness, detachment, and some mysterious power. The full moon in Mula Nakshatra, Ketu's Nakshatra, can bring some intense emotions to the surface, especially those related to our past sufferings or some deep rooted issues. Certainly, it is a time of emotional cleansing and healing also. If we are ready to detach from whatever gives us suffering, then we can easily restore our own self. Mula is the foundation star, represents commencement from the very bottom. It is the chief or the principal city or the capital of the country. The center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, lies within this nakshatra. So the name is Mula Nakshatra. The galactic center is an important point of karmic refinement, reflecting the influence of time and our karma. Mula means the base, our source, bottom, basics, or the roots. When a strong planet transits this nakshatra, it will bring things down to their originality. So, with this full moon, expect something in your life to get back to its original form, where Sagittarius and Ketu is placed in our chart. This period can be excellent for identifying and addressing any root causes of the major problems of our life. It encourages deep introspection and the willingness to uproot issues that have been buried or ignored for a long time. It is a very powerful time for letting go of our old patterns, habits, beliefs that no longer serves us. Basically, the energy supports any kind of transformation and renewal. The symbol of Mula Nakshatra is a tied bunch of roots, signifying grounding and digging into the core or the roots of the matter. The deity is Niriti, the goddess of destruction and dissolution with Tamas Gun, which further signifies critical or transformative energies. Mula's association with Niriti goddess suggests confronting and overcoming fears. It encourages us to be fearless. This energy helps in facing and transforming our deep-seated fears and anxiety also. Mula Nakshatra signifies the end of one cycle and the beginning of another. It is the time to acknowledge the end of certain phases, some relationships, and to prepare us for the new beginning. No matter what we have been doing or where we have reached in our life, Mula Nakshatra can bring us back to our basics, to where we have started. This return to fundamentals can be at any level, mental, physical, or emotional, depending on our dasha and natal placements. And we are starting something from scratch. Mula has power to destroy or break things apart, making a way for some new beginning. And during this time, avoid reacting impulsively to any difficult situation because frustration is very likely. Instead, focus on proper planning, keep an open mind, and move forward by going with the flow. Balance is an essential key here in both our thoughts and actions. And the destructive aspect of Mula Nakshatra under the influence of Niriti supports the idea that sometimes things must be broken down or removed to make a way for new growth and opportunities. Despite its transformational nature, Mula Nakshatra also emphasizes the importance of being grounded and reconnecting to our roots. This can involve spending time with our family, exploring our ancestral heritage, or grounding ourselves in nature. Finding stability and a sense of security, even in the middle of a tough transformation, is the theme of this nakshatra. In any challenges, staying grounded and connected to our roots will help. See, we can also destroy our roots if we are not handling well. Any connection with Mula Nakshatra shows the necessary destruction to proceed in new creation. Niriti is Alakshmi, or the denial of Lakshmi, that is abundance and prosperity in our life. She is Kali, the negative impact of the time that we must protect ourselves from or use it to our advantage. See, the full moon in Sagittarius, Jupiter's sign, and Ketu's nakshatra. This combination also supports travel and new learning also. It is a great time for educational journeys or foreign travel that expands our horizons. While Mula may bring challenges and the need to face some deep seated issues, the optimistic and the expansive energy of Sagittarius and Jupiter helps in managing these challenges with a positive outlook. We have Moon opposite Sun, Mercury, and Venus in Gemini. There is nakshatra exchange of Moon and Ketu. Ketu is in Hasta Nakshatra and Moon is in Mula Nakshatra. Ketu is placed in the natural sixth sign of Virgo, a sign of our pending karma for this life. There is certainly an opportunity to settle something pending for a long time. Figure it out. What? Check your dasha and your natal placement and you will know. Ketu is 10th from the moon. So matter related to our karma, our image, work and career is most impacted, giving us some opportunity to square up our own deeds, past deeds. Immediately after the full moon on 24th of June, moon will conjunct Pluto, the most transformative planet, at 7 degrees in Capricorn, and this has Jupiter's ninth aspect. This assures some major positive change in our life which may appear to be tough. But now moon is heading towards almost stationary Saturn at 25 degrees in Aquarius and about to go retrograde on 30th of June. Keep up with your optimism here. It's going to be tough. Saturn is paused almost and ready to move back to finish some pending work. Then from 29th of June till 3rd of July, we have back to back some challenging conjunction of moon with Rahu, Mars, Uranus, and lastly with Jupiter to give a concluding but some positive impact. Finally, on 6th of July, there will be Gemini new moon in Punarvasu Nakshatra at 20 degrees. And Punarvasu has the power to recreate prosperity. This means the return of light. Things will improve now from here after whatever destruction or loss in previous few days. This Punarvasu new moon will be conjunct Venus, and there are benefics on both the sides of this new moon. One side is Jupiter and the other Mercury, which assures a powerful and positive new start with 6th of July. With this full moon in Mula Nakshatra, all the nodes of Gandanta will be open, and Ketu will free us from chaos or any negativity that we are not able to release in the normal circumstances. It is a forced change because we didn't do it earlier. This period marks the completion of whatever was initiated during the last new moon on 6th of June in Taurus, Rohini Nakshatra. Let us see individually for each ascendant how it will impact. Check the Sagittarius Gemini signs, the 3-9 axis of our chart, along with Virgo sign where Ketu is placed for the impact. Expect start of some change, transformation in their significations within this next 15 days. Both Gemini and Sagittarius are dual signs, which can lead to some confusion, indecisiveness, and a carefree approach. See, full moon amplifies our emotions, whether it is happiness, sadness, anger. It can bring them to their peak. Then Jupiter, the ruling planet of Sagittarius, expands whatever it influences. So be mindful of where you direct your focus. That will expand. Also, the results would depend on our natal placement with respect to this full moon and our running Dasha period. Start with Aries. For Aries, this period may bring some opportunities for travel, higher education, and our spiritual growth. You might feel a strong urge to explore new philosophies or get on a journey that expands your horizons. Expect change in your lifestyle, in your daily routine. You will have new fitness goals or bring a major shift in the way you manage everything in your life. It's the time to adopt new learning, improve your knowledge, communication, and keep up with your strength and courage. Taurus, your focus can be on bringing stability in finances, your health, family, improve your communication, and solve some emotional issues. It is the time to bring change, let go of any baggage, and seek for renewal. All these can majorly impact on your intelligence, any creative expressions, or even your trading in talks. Go easy with your children and review deeply. It's best time to address your financial or any emotional issues, and that needs some clear resolutions. Be open for transformation in these areas and you will be moving ahead. Gemini, your relationship and work partnerships can come into focus. This is the time to deepen your connections or let go of those relationships that no longer give you any peace of mind. You may want to create a strong foundation, family bond, and change on some home front matters like relocation or any repairing and have stability. It's a very good time to communicate openly with your partner and be willing to transform your approach towards relationships. Cancer, health, your daily routine, and your work are highlighted with this full moon. It is an excellent time to let go of any unhealthy habits and adopt a more balanced lifestyle. You can have closure to any of your documentation work, travel related matters, your career, or relocating. It's a time to gather new information, take some initiative, and have important conversation with others. Focus on improving your courage, health, and your work habits. Take up changes that leads to healthier and more organized life. Leo, the area of focus with this full moon can be to have profits in your stock trading, success in your children's life, and fulfill your desires. You may look for happiness in life, feel inspired to take up some new creative projects or address issues in your romantic life. Expect major change in your family values. The goal is to achieve family and financial stability here, and this time can provide you good health and healing if used well. Just be open to transforming your approach towards romantic and relationship area. Virgo, all the lights of this full moon is on your career, your home, your family happiness, and creating strong foundation. This is the time to address deep rooted family issues and seek renewal in your domestic life. Expect change at each level and look for success here. This time can shift your focus, change your image and personality, your identity. It's everything about you now. To set some new personal goals and create a harmonized home environment. Libra, your courage and your strength can be elevated with this full moon. Your aim is to work on your communication, learning some new subject, and also travel. It is the time to let go of outdated beliefs and adopt new ways of thinking. Engage with elders and new teachers for advice and be open for transforming your views on life. This full moon can bring you relief. It's all about letting go of what is not required and help you to grow in life. It will actually release you from any bondage and restrictions of life. Scorpio, the Sagittarius full moon aims to change your way of managing finances, family, your self worth, your health, and your material possessions. This is the time to re-evaluate these matters and let go of what is no longer serves your sense of security, because that is very important for you. You may filter your circle, network, and your friends. The aim can be to share your knowledge and expertise with others. Focus on new financial planning and building your self worth. Be open to transforming your wants and your desires. Sagittarius, your close relations, your personal identity, appearance, and self expression are highlighted with this full moon. And this time encourages deep personal transformation and renewal from here. Expect a change in your work style. The role you play and the work itself can change. Now you may adapt to be more creative, research oriented, and thoughtful in presenting yourself in your work zone. Look for all the changes that can help you express your true self authentically and let go of your outdated self image. Capricorn, this full moon puts all the lights on your private life, your spirituality, any hidden matters, or your subconscious patterns. This is the time for introspection and addressing your deep seated fears or any issues related to that. Go for travel, engage in some spiritual practices, seek to understand life differently with revised belief. Be open for deep inner transformation. You may start a new journey in life, a new path with fresh vision. work to have disciplined routine, and aim to achieve good health. Aquarius, your focus with this full moon is to achieve your goals. Make some benefit connections, new friendships, expand your network, and work on long term goals. It is the time to let go of unhelpful social connections and redefine your aspirations. Evaluate your behavior, polish your skills, align your long term goals with your happiness and your true values. Expect sudden change. Things can come to you as a surprise and can change your understanding, the way you handle speculations and your children. Pisces, your career, public image, and your professional achievements are highlighted with this full moon. This is a time to reevaluate your career path and seek some renewal in your professional life. This full moon can modify your closest ties, the way you manage your relations, and you will get clarity about which ones to nurture and which to let go. Also, be very clear and frank about your own needs within relationships. Focus on your home, family goals, and be open to make any changes, necessary changes to have stability and secure environment. That was all about the impact on all the ascendants. Overall, this Sagittarius full moon in Moola Nakshatra can bring a period of profound transformation, truth seeking time, and emotional release. It is powerful time to uproot and address our deep seated issues. Let go of what is no longer serves us and seek some deeper understanding and wisdom. This time and energy of full moon supports both ending and new beginning also. It is the best time to be grounded and stable while handling any challenges. Be willing to transform, grow by making adjustments, and this can lead to significant personal and spiritual development. That was all about this Sagittarius full moon in Moola Nakshatra. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone. Thank you for your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned with this channel for more updates. Thank you.